All right, check this out. You know that feeling your very first paycheck? Holding that cash, knowing you earned it, it's the best. But what if I told you you've just stumbled upon a secret money cheat code? One that, honestly, most adults don't even know how to use. No, I'm serious. Think about the money you made from just one shift. What if you could flip a switch and that cash just started multiplying over and over while you're sleeping, while you're out with your friends, whatever? This isn't some fantasy, it's a real-life glitch in the system you can start using right now.
So how does this whole glitch even work? Well, think of it like it's a video game. You're about to start earning passive XP for your money. Yeah, you heard that right. Experience points that just stack up automatically, leveling up your bank account without you having to grind for it at all.
Okay, so the official name for this cheat code is compound interest. It's actually a super simple idea. The interest you earn on your savings, it starts earning its own interest. It's like your money has little money babies, and then those money babies start having babies. It's this insane chain reaction. Let's break it down real quick. Step 1, you just save a little bit of cash, let's say $15 from one shift. That's it. Step 2, that money earns a little bit of interest. Think of it as a small XP boost. But here's where the magic happens. Step 3, the next time you get paid interest, it's on your original cash plus that first XP boost, and it just keeps going. Your XP literally starts stacking itself. And this is what that looks like over time. I mean, look at this chart. After 10 years, that stacking effect is pretty cool, nice and steady. After 20 years, okay, it's getting way bigger. But check out year 40. The growth goes completely vertical. It's like a rocket ship. That's not just growth, it's an explosion. And it all started with those first few dollars. Now, let's talk about your superpower. This is the part that should get you really fired up because you have a totally unfair advantage over pretty much every adult out there. It's the reason you are already set up to win this whole money game. So let's stage a little competition. Player 1 is you, starting at 16. Player 2 is an adult, smart, responsible, but they don't get started until they're 36. Now, to make it a fair fight, you both save the exact same amount, $50 a week. Who do you think wins? Okay, so player 2, the adult, does pretty well. By the time they hit 65, they've stacked up a cool $305,000. I mean, that's a lot of money, right? A huge win. But it's not the high score. Because you, player 1, who started 20 years earlier with the exact same amount every week, you end up a millionaire, over $1.1 million. Just look at that number. That is almost 4 times more money. And the only difference was that you started sooner. That is your unfair advantage. And that's the whole secret. Your real weapon isn't how much money you have. It's how much time you have. You have decades for that compounding glitch to just go wild. And time, well, time is the one thing that no one, no matter how rich or smart they are, can ever buy back. And you've got more of it than anybody. But you gotta be careful. Every cheat code has a dark side. Every good game has a final boss. This exact same code can be used against you, and its name is debt. If you're not smart about it, the same power that builds you a fortune can dig you into a hole you can't get out of. So you're going to see this term everywhere, APR. It stands for annual percentage rate. Just think of it as the price tag for borrowing money. When you see a high APR on something like a credit card, that's the rate that this cheat code is working against you. And here's why it's so dangerous. A lot of credit card companies compound their interest daily. That means every single day, the interest you owe gets piled on top, and the next day, you're paying interest on a bigger amount. It creates this vicious cycle, a snowball of debt that just gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. So just be on the lookout for the common traps. We're talking credit cards with high APRs, student loans if you're not careful, even car loans. They all use the exact same compounding trick. They just flip it so it makes money for them, not for you. Okay, enough about the bad guys. Let's get back to your power-ups. I'm going to give you a super simple tool you can use like right now to see just how fast you can level up your money. It's called the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is this awesome little mental math hack. To figure out about how many years it'll take for your money to double, you just take the number 72 and divide it by your interest rate. That's it. So simple. You don't even need a calculator. Let's try it. Say your money is invested and it's making an 8% return each year. How long till it doubles? It's just 72 divided by 8. Got it? 9 years. In just 9 years, your money has completely doubled itself, all because you put it in the right place and let the cheat code do its work. This is a tool you can literally use for the rest of your life. And let's bring it all back home. Remember that $15 from your shift? The second you save and invest that, you start the clock. You are officially on your way to your first double up. It all starts with that one small move. So there you have it. You've got the knowledge, you've got the power up, and you have the single biggest advantage on your side, time. You've just been handed the biggest cheat code in the entire money game. So the only question is, what's your first move?